UMA ka UDP ba polng do wala ong ba wala om patip kepada Shisha handai ka jing sawa ba Dr. Jemino mautho unlai Rung sya ka BJP Lada kadai Shisha kan yarap bandra ek parti hang ni gejela habakran sikilat patai ke bor ba pol ong ba haka politik kejudan ke jing Rung yami kinong yalam bat kanu ke parti kamla ban syusim sting wala ong balada kinong yalam kirung sya kanu seng sain partai kata kandon baik ke jing mento ya kata parti Tangsian lami kuba ba Dr. Jemino mautho badai UMA barim ke UDP nang tau ba pansingan NSM ba Mahendro Rapsang ke badai ke MA barim ke Kongres kira bana yaso no sya ke BJP syen wat kinu yalam ke BJP hak ne gejala ro kila kam ba kendon kinu yalam ke ba pau kmat iban yaso sya ke BJP syen hak ni kisngi iban sawan
I would not know if these are confirmed names entering the BJP, but towards the end of each term, there will always be instances of leaders moving out and moving in from political party to political party. On the whole, I would say that no political party can be taken for granted, and yes, I do acknowledge that the entry of, say for instance, names of former General Secretary of the UDP, certainly this would impact positively in favor of the UDP.